Hey, welcome back to Pronunciation with Sehna. Even if you have a really high level of English, I still found that many of my most advanced students as well as low level students still struggle with the pronunciation of alphabets. Do you know how to pronounce letters exactly? In this video, I'm gonna show you how exactly to pronounce them, and I also provide phonemic transcription of each letter to help you as well. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. In British English, R is pronounced as R, and in American English, that letter is pronounced as R. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In British English, that letter is pronounced as Z, while in American, they pronounce that word as Z, X, Y, Z, while in British, X, Y, Z.